Brian and I often talk when we meet about, more advanced tweet functions, and they're not advanced for you, WebAnna. They're advanced for the people that Brian and I try to coach. And one of the things I think we wanted to ask you is, when people get into community groups, how do you find the hashtagging process and finding local communities on Twitter and becoming a part of them?
I actually use Google, and I search for groups that way because there's so many different applications that Twitter can use, like Twello. So really researching those other applications, external applications, and seeing how groups are growing organically is one way to do that, and also paying attention to your own community and seeing when those hashtags pop up. Because if the difference between searching for, let's say, Michael Jackson and then searching for hashtag all one word Michael Jackson is, do you know how when you put in a tweet and you put the @ in front of somebody's name, it automatically makes it a URL. So it makes that word clickable, right?
Right.
And the same thing happens with the hashtag is by putting that hashtag, you are now making Michael Jackson a clickable link so that you can see what the community is talking about. And really, I keep my ears and eyes open, really eyes, because there's no talking on Twitter, and seeing what kind of hashtags people are using. I use the trending topics that are popular, and I also use a program called Twitscope, and it is so fun because if you guys have access to the Internet right now, definitely check it out, twitscope.com, and it'll show you a tag cloud of what everybody is talking about right this second. And it's so funny because, say, for example, every day at 3 a.m., people announce that it's 3 a.m. So all of a sudden 3 a.m. is a hot trending topic. It's not hot enough to make it on to the homepage of Twitter that shows you the trending topics, but it's hot enough to show you just right that moment, all the different words people are talking about. So Iran, obviously a lot of those words were very popular for a long time, and then all of a sudden Michael Jackson, and then Billy Mays, and, so it's a really good resource to find out what people are talking about.